How to remove rust from carpet. Upon discovering the rust stain, be sure to remove the source or consider placing a darker area rug underneath it. Gently scrape up any visible rust from the fibers using a soft edge. Pour liquid dish soap onto a sponge. Blot the sponge directly onto the stain and let it soak for about 5 minutes. Using a clean white cloth, begin blotting the affected area. The rust stain should gradually transfer directly onto the towel. If the rust stain remains, mix 2 cups of warm water with 1 tablespoon of household ammonia. Pour the mixture directly onto the rust stain and let this sit for about 5 minutes. Another approach is to take a generous amount of lemon juice and salt and apply directly to the rust stain. Let this sit for a few minutes. Pour hot water directly onto the affected area of the carpet. The rust stain should begin to disappear. Blot dry the area or use a vacuum to remove any excess liquid. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.